We're about to go and work out. Me and my boy Ricky.
It's a rainy day, but we're gonna do this.
Yep, you know it. Train hard, Pitbull Fitness. Let's do it. Let's go for it. All the way down. Let's go up, sit up. Pull-ups.
Yep.
Warming up, back workout. Let's go, Rick. All the way down. Warm it up. Come on, get it. As much as you can do. Come on, just a warm up. Let's go, get it.
Do this.
Yep.
Just warming it up.
Warming it up, baby. Pull up time.
Oh, by the way, thanks for the shirt, Glenn. It's a little tight now. Thank you.
Get huge. You got it, you got it. Get big all day, every day.
Let's go, baby.
Huge.
Dominate. 150. Your weight. There you go. Lightweight. Come on. Let's go. Squeeze. Come on. 3 more. 1. Let's go. Your weight. Good shit. That wasn't so bad.
I don't know. You ready for more?
Woo, 225, baby. Let's do this, get huge.
Probably like 6 reps or so.
Yep.
Yep.
Let's go, baby. Dominate.
Lightweight.
This is too light. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, you can do this.
Yep.
There you go. How you feel?
Arms are fucking burning me, my back. This is just the beginning.
There you go. Evolution
baby.
starts.
Single arm T-rows.
Yep.
Get up. Come on. Come on, sit back into it. Sit back into it. Lean back more. Chest up. Come on, pull it up. Let's go. Don't rock your hips so much. There you go. Come on. Good shit. Next side.
Let's go, baby. Get huge. 3 plates. Woo.
All day.
All day, every day.
Ha. Let's go.
Let's go. Yep. One more. There you go.
Show them what you got, baby. Let's go. Get huge. 2. Come on. 3. Yep. 4. Come on. 5. All day. 6. Come on. Fuck. Good shit. Hell.
It's nice.
Yeah. All day, baby. All day. Woo! Lightweight.
Yep. get it. Let's go. Let's go.
Three more.
Woo. Lifted it off the floor.
It's not easy. I don't care what nobody says. It ain't easy. Bullshit.
It ain't so bad. If I could do it, let's go.
Yep. Come on. Dominate. Let's go, baby. Expand those lats. Lean back a little bit. There you go. Squeeze. Flex out those elbows. There you go. Chin up. Let's take a look at that back. Come on. Let's go. Squeeze. Come on. Stay still. Come on. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Good. Come on. Let's go. Come on, big back. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. One more. Squeeze. Pull. Good shit.
Yep. Woo.
That felt easier than the first one, actually.
Yeah, since you're lefty, now let's see what your right hand. Lightweight, let's go. You can do it. There you go. Squeeze them. Wasn't so bad after all.
It felt good. It felt real good. Bring your feet under the smooth part. Good. Drop your hips, chest up. Let's go. Push your weight on your heels. Up. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Weight on your heels. Squeeze your back together. Up. Come on. Up. Come on. You got two more. Go. Good. Keep your chest up. Drop your hips. Chest up. Weight on your heels. Go for it. Finish it up. Dig deep. All right. Good shit. That was a lot better than the last one.
Yes, it was.
Let's go, baby. This is lightweight. 4 plates.
4 or 5. 4 or 5.
There you go. You can do this. This is all you. You dominate. Yep, get money, baby. Get money, baby. Squeeze. 1, come on. You got it. Woo! There you go. Come on. Get huge. There you go. Woo!
Shit was heavy, man. Fuck that. Stay. Good. Let's get a good look at that back. Good. Very good. 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 Squeeze the back in a little more. Nice. Squeeze. Good shit.
Yep. Woo. There you go. Wow. Nice, Def. Yep. It's all you. That's a nice, serious. Yep.